Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to use normal keyboard like Windows keyboard in iOS and how to select all text. Okay, normally we are using Android and Windows keyboards. Just press Ctrl plus A, then we can select all text, but that is not work with iOS. So how to select all text in iOS by using a normal keyboard. You can see here this is my Protonix chiclet keyboard and it is connected by Bluetooth, and normally we are pressing Ctrl A. You can see here I'm pressing Ctrl A and nothing is working, and the cursor go to A if I press Ctrl A. So you can see here once again I'm pressing Ctrl A and the cursor go to first of the paragraph. Then how to select? It is very simple. Use Win key instead of Control key in everywhere, like selecting text, selecting all text, and cut text, and copy text, and paste text. Okay, so we are using Window key plus A. You can see here Window key plus A. So it is selected all. Then we can simply cut by using Window key plus X, and we can simply paste here by Window key plus V. So that's the method, that's the trick. Use Window key instead of Control key for copying, cutting, selecting text in iOS. So that's guys, and this is work with iOS. My device is currently working on, this is my iPad Air 3 and iOS version is 18.603. okay, so that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.